Sure. My name is Ludas Charles. So I am officially Flow's music business manager. What was said and to whom it was said. Our position right now is not to have an actual official position about how we feel about it, what we think about it. Obviously, this was an internal issue between Trina and Flo that the show wanted to cover, but certain statements were made that took it beyond just two people because of the implications of what was said. We're waiting to hear what Trina and her team want to say about how they feel about those statements because they have serious implications culturally. So we already know where we stand based on those statements in our history, but we'd love to hear from them whether their understanding of the statement, the implications of it, if they're clear on it before we take our position. So for right now, we're simply waiting to see and hear what they have to say about those statements themselves because Flo did not say anything. She didn't reply. All those were said by Trina. We just want to know because I know Trina's always surrounded by Haitians. She understands the culture. So we're not sure what happened, but it's clear what she said. The implications of it is undeniable. So we're just waiting. As a Haitian person who's really about her culture, the feelings should be obvious. Now, the details of what she feels specifically towards Trina, we haven't covered it. Whatever's covered, we're not going to discuss it now. But in general, as a Haitian who represents the culture at the level she wants to, yes, it will touch a nerve for any Haitian who know the implications of those statements. Yes, that was the first reaction. We're just simply waiting to hear because sometimes it might be misunderstood. Context is important. So we like to hear from Trina, from her side, what she meant, what was she trying to say, who was she addressing, all these things before we express specifically in details how we feel and what we